Do you want to transform your home and update it without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to share with you affordable tips to update your space and make renovations without any major remodeling or any major cost. So stay tuned. I'm about to reveal the top updates that can boost your home's value and put thousands more in your pocket. Whether you're planning to sell or just want a fresh look, this video is for you. Through my years of experience and selling hundreds and hundreds of homes, I've discovered that making strategic updates as you go along in the house is the best way to increase the value of your home. In today's competitive market, getting maximum value is all about creating a powerful first impressions. Buyers are now looking for homes that feel fresh and are move-in ready, often willing to pay a premium for these qualities. It's crucial to focus on crucial updates that brings you the highest return on your investment, whether it's money or your time and handyman work. Not all updates are created equal, and overdoing it can actually hurt your bottom line. Instead, target improvements that are proven to enhance your home's appeal and value. These key changes can make all the difference in attracting the right buyers and achieving a higher sales price, or if you're not selling, just enjoying the updates without breaking the bank. One of the most transformative updates you can make that will completely change the look and feel of your house is a simple paint or a simple coat of paint, either throughout the house or wherever it is needed. A fresh coat of paint can completely revitalize a dated home, giving it a new lease on life. It's a relatively inexpensive update that offers a significant return on investments. However, it is essential to choose the right colors. The best colors are neutral tone colors. Of course, depending on your area, what may be trendy or not trendy, but what may be nice in California may not be nice or common in Texas or Florida or other states. Also, it is always good to avoid trendy colors. Trendy colors or trendy paint colors don't last long, and as trends go, they come and go. So if you paint a house with trendy colors, and if you're thinking about a house, the buyers may love your house, but if they don't like the colors which are trendy and out of this world, then they may say, oh shoot, I have to paint this house. That's extra cost to them, so they may reduce the price or just move away from buying your house. The other good tip, if you are going to be painting your house, and if you are going to be painting the whole house, it's best to keep the same kinds of colors, neutral tones, throughout the house and not change too many colors. This will make the house look even bigger, and it'll make it flow as the people walk from room to room or as you enjoy going from room to room. So consistent colors, neutral colors are always the best choice. By the way, I'm Mike Patel from Anaheim Hills, California, and thanks for watching. And as we go along, please share what might have worked for you or what might work for you. Please share and comment below. Next, consider replacing your outlets and plate covers. Most dated homes that have not been updated may have beige or yellowish plates. They may be dirty. And as soon as the buyer walks in, they're gonna feel like this house is very outdated. So by changing these plates, making it white or neutral colors, making them brand new throughout the whole house, even changing some plugs will make your house look very updated, very consistent, and changing plates is one of the cheapest you can do, and you will get the highest return on your investment. They are not very expensive, they're easy to do. Even I can change the switch plates. This might seem like a minor update, but it can have a noticeable impact. Older homes often have faded yellow or off-white plates that can detract from a modern feel. Upgrading to bright white plates can create a clean, polished look that appeals to buyers. It's a simple, cost-effective change and make a big difference. You can even opt to add some switches that are motion activated or time sensitive, especially if a younger buyer is going to buy your house. They would love to go in a room and the lights turns on, and when they leave, they don't turn it off, but the switch or the plug will turn the lights off automatically. So that's another consideration. Although those switches and plates may cost you a little bit more, but you may also enjoy that feature while you are living in the house. If you want to update your home and want to see through the eyes of a buyer, you may want to call a local realtor and have them give you an opinion. There is no obligation, and if you are looking for a local realtor, I'll be glad to refer you. There is a form in the pinned comment. Simply just fill it out. Updating your light fixtures and older lamps or chandeliers is another strategy that really helps updating a house. Many homes that are not updated may have old lamps, dated lamps, old fluorescent lights, or light bulbs that are dim. So replacing those lights and energy efficient and high efficiency lights that you can buy today not only will give you brighter light, makes your house look brighter, but it'll also save on electricity and utilities. Modern light fixtures not only enhance the look of your home, but also improves visibility, making your home feel brighter and more inviting. Focus on key areas like the kitchen, bathrooms, entryways, and living areas. Updated lighting makes your house look very bright and inviting when the buyer walks in and gives that first impression of your house. Lighting goes a long way in any house, in any room. If you happen to have chandeliers or large lights, do you feel that is trendy right now? Depending on the area, let us know in the comment below. And also, if you sell a house today, and a lot of the younger generation or the millennials are buying those homes, do you really think they're gonna like those chandeliers? Or do you think they'll like some modern light fixtures or lighting trends? Updating door hardware and knobs. Don't overlook the impact of updating a door hardware. Replacing old doorknobs, handles, and cabinet pulls with modern options can significantly improve the overall look of your home. This update is particularly effective in kitchens and bathrooms where new hardware can instantly modernize the space. It's a small investment that can yield a high return on investment. For example, let's say you have brass pull knobs in your kitchen cabinets or bathroom drawers and all that. If you replace those with nickel brush chrome today, which is very trendy, and with some nice designs, it'll change the whole look of your house, of your bathroom, of your kitchen, of your cabinets. So these small little things will make a big difference. Another very effective update is replacing or changing those old, worn out drapes and window treatments that you may have, which take up a lot of room, have collected dust, and also may block sunlight into your home. Heavy, old-fashioned drapes can make a home feel dark and closed in. Opt for lighter treatments like sheer curtains or blinds to let in more natural light. This simple change can make your home feel larger and more inviting, which is exactly what potential buyers are looking for. These days, people are opting for shutters, wooden blinds. They are also opting for roll-up automatic blinds, which go up automatically with a remote control. These easy-to-use blinds with a little small motor in there are very silent, are very cost-effective, and easy to install. They can also plug into your Siri voice or your phones, where you can open or close these blinds while you're lying down on your bed. One of the other updates you can make that has a very big impact, just like painting the house, is replacing or changing your carpets or hardwood floors and tiles. Of course, you want to be careful and consider the cost of replacing a carpet. But if you had thought about painting, for example, and the colors don't match with the paint and the carpet, and the carpet's worn out and stained, this may be a good time to change the carpet. And while you may be thinking about waiting on selling, enjoy the new carpet or the new hardwood floors. In some cases, on dated homes or older homes, there may be hardwood floors already under the carpet. So before you think about replacing your hardwood floors or your carpet, lift up your carpet, check to see if there's hardwood floors, and see if you can refinish or update those hardwood flooring. So this way you're removing the old carpet and voila, you have hardwood flooring. If you don't have the hardwood flooring, then you may opt to put, again, a neutral colors. What's trendy, when I say trendy, what's the going colors in your area, because they vary from state to state and city to city. So pick a color that's neutral, that you will enjoy, and should you decide to sell, the buyers who come in, when they walk in, not only will they see a brand new paint or a nice paint colors in your house, but they may see a very impressive carpeting or tilings or hardwood floors. So this makes a big impact on your house for your own living and or for selling. Hardwood floors are easier to maintain and are preferred by many buyers. In some markets, Luxury vinyl flooring is also a popular choice. Consult with a local real estate agent to determine the best option for your area before investing. Again, if you need a referral for a realtor to give you just opinions, no obligation, there's a referral form in the pinned comment. Please fill it out. I'll be glad to help you and will call you within 24 hours. Here is a bonus tip, and that has to do with working on your doors and walls. If you have outdated doors, you can paint or stain or varnish them or add wood trims on it. Many of the new doors have designs or trims in them, and if you don't want to replace the doors, you can buy ready-made wood trims on sites like Etsy, or you may make them yourself. Wood trims can go in living room, family rooms, or even bathrooms. It will really change the look of your doors and walls, and they are not very expensive and they are easy to install. These updates are very cost effective and enhance the look and feel of your home. Most of these projects are do-it-yourself, unless you're like me. I don't like to do things, so you may hire a handyman or a contractor, but even then it should not cost you that much. So by doing these things, you'll enhance the value of your home, the look and feel of your home at the same time. Remember, the goal is to make your home appealing to potential buyers without overdoing it. Focus on updates that offer the highest return on investment to ensure you get the best possible price for your home. A few weeks ago, I also did a video on what not to fix when selling a home. So please watch that. And again, thanks for watching. I am Mike Patel.